triumph, failure, monotony. Times that we let define aspects of ourselves that we love or learn to accept. We're constantly at battle with ourselves to be the best version of ourselves, only to be sucked back into our own human nature.
Just to get the best of me, spending nights trying to get you next to me. I'm supposed to be making plans how I'm gonna let you know. In order to give it all, baby, let the power go, make my body go. It's all mine, and I want you to feel like it's all yours tonight. Baby, take your time, and I let it wash over you, taking control of you. Tell me, baby, it don't faze me. Come and take my human nature. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Tell me, baby, it don't faze me. Come and take my human nature.